Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lian Duan, and I have developed for 20 years, specializing in DevOps and cloud security. Today we'll learn how to use Dockerx command to build a Docker image that works on both ARM and X64 CPUs. After the image build completed, we'll upload the image to the AWS ECR. By the way, if you are using a Mac with an M1, M2, M3, or M4 CPU, your process is ARM-based. Why does it matter? Different computer has different processor. If you build an image for only one type, it wouldn't work everywhere. Additionally, major cloud providers like Google Cloud, AWS, and Microsoft Azure support Kubernetes worker nodes use ARM-based CPU to save costs. You can find all video content and code in my GitLab repo. The links are below. Now let's move to what is Docker Buildx command. What is Docker Buildx command? Docker Buildx is extent of Docker build command. It's part of a Docker build case and offers several advantages. Support build images for multiple platforms. It uses smart caching for speed-up build. When the first time running, Docker will automatically download Buildx build key2 image and run it. It's able to work with the CI/CD pipelines. The command is easy to use. Just add Buildx keyword into Docker build command. Now we understand the Docker Buildx command. Let's go to the hands-on demo, see it in action. Before we dive into the demo, there are few prerequisites: an AWS free tier account, one AWS private ECR. If you do not have them yet, check out my video, push a Docker image to ECR using AWS command line for step-by-step guidance. Additionally, my DevBox setup, Docker version is on 27.5.1. My Mac OS version is 15.3.1. With our environment setup, let's go through the demo steps. Open my terminal. First, reviewing the Dockerfile. Our Dockerfile is based on the Nginx, and I'll add a simple index.html page. Next step, log into the AWS ECR. Let me break down this command. The command has two parts. First, highlighted part used to retrieve the authentication token from AWS ECR. The second part is used to log into AWS ECR using the retrieved authentication token from first part. Enter. Log in successfully. Clean up the screen. Next, building and pushing the multi-architecture image. Use the Buildx command instead of the standard Docker build to enable multi-architecture support. Platform parameter. Specify that image should build for both ARM 64 and AMD 64 architecture. AMD 64 has other name, X64. Two things are same. We add a tag parameter, same as a regular build command. It specifies the AWS ECR repo and image version. -push directly pushes the build image to the specified AWS ECR repo instead of store it in the Buildkit Docker container. Run the command. Build and push successfully. Clean up the screen. Next step, verify the Docker minifast file. We use the Docker Buildx image to inspect the command to retrieve the manifest file. Enter. Move a little bit down. You will see 5 files. One is the manifest index file. Other is for ARM64. Based on the signature, you will see the related reference file. The same pattern is AMD64 with related reference file. Next, let me check all the files in the AWS ECR. Open my browser and log into the AWS ECR. In the service search area, input ECR and enter. My repo name is private EKS welcome. Open it. Refresh the page. You'll see all the files uploaded successfully. Compare this with Docker Hub. I push the same Docker image to the Docker Hub. You will notice Docker Hub only shows 2 images directly, one for ARM64, other one for the AMD64. It hadn't many fast files because they're meaningless for the end user. From my view, Docker helps display clearer than the ECR. That's all topics for today's video. Thank you and see you the next time.